Hello my Legion modders and welcome to another video review, and this time it will be anti-tank gun made by Tamiya in 1:35 scale. Here you can see a bit of box art and of course some additional details, as you can see here with ammunition boxes, and in the back of the box nothing at all. So we open the box and we will see what we have here. Of course, menu, plastic parts with plastic parts for the gun and of course for the soldiers, and here you can see of course few plastic parts for the gun, of course shovel, and some small additional details like these holders, ammunition boxes, of course here as well. And now we can move on for the soldiers parts. Here is the nicely molded jacket, of course here soldiers, and some other additional details like faces, of course hands, helms, and here knives. And now we can look closer at the plastic parts for the gun itself. Here you can see side panels, of course some other details as well. Here gun mantle, gun barrel, some additional small details. Here a closer look at the details in. After all small parts we can look at the menu. Here we started completing the gun, of course adding additional details like cradle, adding here another details to like a spin for the spinning of the wheel, adding shield to the front of the gun barrel. Here additional details as well, I mean like the small interior parts for the gun barrel, adding additional detail to the stands. Here as you can see some building of wheels, adding shovels, and here some other details, holders and placers for to the ground, ammunition boxes here, assembling of the wheels, painting of the miniatures, and we are almost at the end. Like here just a few parts was missing, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.